Hey guys, we're here at the 1890 house. Here comes Andrew. We're just going to start the sled up, take it up the hill, try to get some drone footage, see how that looks. Going to give the active track a little bit of a shot, see if we can get the drone following this thing around the yard by itself. All right, she's warm. Time to load her up. Let's do it. Let's go, Amber. All this because the trails aren't open yet. What a man will do for his sled. Gonna take it up?
Yep.
On our way up now. Gonna go to my uncle's yard and fly. Just got a Mavic Pro. I've heard a lot of good things about these things. People have only really given them good reviews. I know there's a Mavic 2 on the market now, but honestly the discount that makes this at made this pretty much worth it. I think the only couple extra features they added were some software features and some extra collision sensors, which I think I could do without for now, but we'll see. So we're headed up. I have my DJI goggles. We're going to try flying around in the yard, following the snowmobile, see what kind of good footage we can get.
Well, we'll get Amber, we know.
Feeling
that.
hopeful. What do you think, Amber? Yeah, she'll be in a lot of it. And I know Andrew's stoked. This is the first ride, really, that will be given for the new sled.
Hopefully it stays in the truck on the ride up.
No shit. Well, we're making it. We'll see. Here's the trial. Trial run number 1. Okay, time to set up the drone. Well, I think we got some pretty good drone footage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in right here. Now it's my turn. Yeah, not my turn to ride the summit around the yard.
Maybe we shouldn't film this.
Why? Incriminating, saying that we're driving around in a half-inch of snow?
Who cares? No, there's 1.5 inches.
I think it'll be fine.
It's fine.
I'm ready to give it a shot, so. Well, we're still testing storage space on how much these videos actually take. So I ran out of space on my phone in the middle of recording footage of Andrew driving around the yard. But now we're on our way back. So I guess see you next weekend.